have already had my matcha for the day. However, I think I'm gonna make a second one. I did not sleep very well last night. I feel like I need the extra caffeine and just like iced drink to just like get me through the rest of the day. Do you know what I mean? Also, I'm about to start my cycle and my skin is breaking out so badly. And I absolutely hate that for me, especially as I thought I was almost getting everything under control. And I think I, for the most part, have. Like my skin's been pretty good for a few weeks now, but this has made me feel like we're not as far along as I thought that we were. But I did also have a pretty big weekend and drank a little bit more than I usually do. So a little heart-shaped ice and the flower straw, honestly, just puts me in a good mood every single day. It's so simple, but for whatever reason, it just makes me so happy. Very recently made the switch from almond milk to oat milk. My boyfriend used to always have skim milk or skim milk, and he decided that he wanted to start drinking oat milk, and I then was just buying oat milk and almond milk, and to be honest, I actually like both. Like I don't really have a preference, so now I am also drinking oat milk. Speaking of my boyfriend, this evening my mum and his mum are actually coming over for dinner, and it is going to be the first time that the mums meet, and I'm so excited, but I'm also kind of nervous. My mum has a very different personality to me. She's much more quiet, much more shy, especially with people that she doesn't know very well, and my boyfriend is definitely an introvert. So I really feel like it's going to be up to me to just like bring the energy, which typically I really don't have a problem with at all, but I'm just, you know, hoping that it goes well, I guess. Never misses, never. I've honestly loved Missoma for at least 10 years now, pretty much ever since I got into influencing and content creation. Missoma has been on my radar as a brand that I would have loved to work with. So the fact that I am, after 10 years, finally working with them actually kind of feels like a bit of a pinch me moment. So this is a very exciting collaboration for me. So anyways, I want to show you guys the beautiful pieces that I've added to my jewelry collection and very much my jewelry rotation, especially for the next couple of months. I feel like these pieces are absolutely perfect for Australian summer, and are just gonna look so good with my tanned glowy skin, which will obviously be fake because, as you guys know, I'm terrified of the sun, and also just a really cute summer outfits that I plan on wearing and sharing with you guys. I already have a few other pieces on now, as you can probably tell. I received this delivery and no joke, put these necklaces on straight away. I was like, these are so perfect and so cute, and honestly just make my simple basic outfits feel like immediately more elevated and just like more interesting. So I was very excited about these ones in particular, but I'll show you all the pieces that I got. I've had these earrings on now for probably like 5 hours. Even though they look chunky, they're actually so lightweight, which is so important, especially for your earlobe health. Like you don't want to have your ear dragging down with really heavy earrings, but these ones are just absolutely perfect. Also received this stunning gold bracelet, and I thought I would just wait to put this one on together because I didn't want to have absolutely everything on before I even started the video. I actually don't have many bracelets in my jewelry collection at all, so this is an absolutely gorgeous piece to be adding. The last piece I wanted to show you guys is this incredible J necklace. I love this necklace. It's just so elegant, and I feel like it's something that I will definitely wear for a very long time. The little mixed metal necklace that I'm wearing here also came with a cord option, which I feel like is especially good for that like summer beachy sort of look. Missoma are really known for the quality of their gold vermeil and gold plating, having specialized in this for over 18 years. So you just know their pieces are really gonna last. These pieces are so beautiful and would make such an incredible Christmas gift for your family, like your sisters, your mom, like your best friend. They also come packaged so beautifully, which I think just kind of adds to the entire gift experience. Anyways, I'm sure you guys will notice these pieces over the duration of this video because I intend to wear them a lot over the next few days and hopefully lots of months to come. Once again, I am so excited and just grateful to be working with them because I feel like this is such a beautiful partnership and alignment. Somehow it is already 2 p.m. in the afternoon and I want to start cooking dinner immediately because I would like to have everything done by the time the mothers get here, and also my boyfriend gets home from work. Trying to decide what to make that I could 100% nail, because as you guys know, I do not like to make meals that I haven't already perfected before cooking them for other people. So I landed on a meat, sort of like a bolognese, but not 100% a bolognese, but like a meat red sauce with rigatoni, so not spaghetti, because I just didn't really feel like spaghetti. I don't know why, I just wasn't in like a spaghetti mood. And then I was also gonna make a rocket salad, but I was trying to decide if I wanted to add pear or more like beetroot and feta, or like maybe all three of those things. I'm actually not sure. I'm gonna just see what I have in the fridge and how it like all comes together. There'll obviously be some garlic bread to go with the dinner because you can't have pasta without garlic bread. Anyways, let's get into the kitchen. salad, I've just gone with some rocket shaped parmesan and pear. I'm going to season this later, closer to when everyone arrives. For now, I'm just going to pop this in the fridge and hope that the pear doesn't brown in the meantime. Also, the sauce so far is looking so good. This needs to reduce a lot more, but at the moment I'm just working through getting some flavor in the sauce. I'm just going to let it sit with the lid on for another hour or two before I begin reducing it a little bit. Hello guys, it is a new day. I'm going to a wedding tomorrow, which I'm so excited about. I just love weddings. I'm sure you guys already know this about me. There are 3 beauty appointments, which for me are completely non-negotiable. And I have 3 weddings between now and Christmas. So I will be doing these 3 things probably 3 more times. The first one is a fake tan. I went to see Janet at Tan and Beauty Lounge, which is where I always go. I've been seeing her for years and I'm just consistently so happy with how the tan turns out when I go and see her. I was very pale when I saw her yesterday, so I didn't actually want to go too dark. I just wanted to have like a nice healthy glow. I didn't want to look like I'd had a fake tan. Second beauty appointment is nails. I did just get them done. And the last beauty appointment, and this is not something I do every single time, but at the moment, because I'm so in my like healthy hair era, I am getting a blow wave, and that's what I'm actually heading to right now. I've never been to this place before, so I am a little bit nervous. You guys already know my loyalty is 100% always with Lockie. He is incredible. I've been seeing him for years, but he's no longer a full-time hairdresser. So he only works on the weekends, and he was not able to fit in a blow wave on a random Friday. So I'm just going to a salon that I found online, and it has really good reviews. So hopefully it is okay. We're leaving this afternoon for the wedding, but it's not till tomorrow. It's down at the beach, and I still haven't figured out what I'm gonna wear. And I have quite a few options. So after I'm finished with my blowout, I'm going to head home and literally try on every single dress in my wardrobe and just try and work out what looks the best. Just finished my blowout. I think she did a pretty good job. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm wearing the J necklace from Missoma today, and it's honestly so beautiful. This is such a gorgeous piece. I feel like it's actually making my outfit today so much cuter. Just popped my hair up to try and preserve this blowout. This is my outfit today, and I just think it's so cute. So I want to show you guys before I got changed. Slides are St. Agni, skirt is Friends with Frank, and this cute little top is from Source Unknown, and my bra, which is kind of like purposefully poking out, I feel like it's kind of part of the look, is from Cat the Label, and obviously my necklace is from Missoma. I honestly have so many options for my dress, but I'm not sure. Thinking about wearing this insanely orange dress, which is so crazy for me, but I also just feel like sometimes I really am in the mood to just do something completely out of my comfort zone, and this would definitely be out of my comfort zone. I absolutely love the back. It's like completely backless. This dress is pretty see-through, so I'll need to do some kind of nipple undie situation. I'm not actually sure what I would wear underneath, and I don't even know if I've got anything that would work, but this is the first option. Hello, it is a new week and I'm back from the wedding. It's now a Monday. I continue to vlog the rest of Friday afternoon, but I actually filmed it on my iPhone and made it like short form video because I was kind of feeling a bit stressed and just trying to move as quickly as I possibly could through the packing and getting on the road and getting down to the beach because we ended up running quite late. I tried on 2 more dress options and ended up going with the navy one. I'll insert the short video here of me trying on all 3 dresses though, so you can actually see the 3 that I was working with. The wedding was honestly so beautiful. I genuinely just always feel so grateful to be invited to someone's wedding because I know how expensive it is to have a wedding, and also just how much effort and time and everything, money that goes into planning a wedding. The fact that I get to attend so many beautiful weddings, I'm just forever grateful. I never really film myself upstairs, but I'm currently in the little desk working area where I'll typically edit my vlogs and also just do a little bit of ironing, and I keep like a lot of really random stuff up here. I would show you guys a little bit more of this upstairs lofty area, but it's usually just such a mess that I pretty much don't let anyone come upstairs unless they absolutely have to. But anyways, I'm pretty much just going to spend the rest of the day editing this vlog so that I can go live with it this evening. And then I have dinner tonight with my girlfriends that I see every maybe like 3 or 4 weeks. We go to Builder's Arms on a Monday night and we get steak night, and it's just so delicious. It's also just the best way to start a week. Like, it puts us in the best mood. I wanted to say a final thank you to Missoma for working with me on this video. I wore the bracelet and the earrings to the wedding on the weekend, and they looked so beautiful with my outfit. And also just a reminder that they have their Black Friday sale happening at the moment. Anyways, now I'm going to just make myself a little snack because it's 3:30 and I can't wait till dinner time. I'm then going to put some laundry on, and then I'm going to finish editing this video so that it can go live tonight. All right, that is all. Bye.